So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video we are going to see a list view in Android Studio. So now suppose in some criteria in your application you want a list to be displayed. So in that way, how to use list view in Android Studio? So let's begin. So firstly we will delete our previous code, that is scroll view and image view part. Okay, there is nothing, only linear layout. So simply for any tag you can type. So as you can see, the first suggestion is list view. So type list view. So I want my width of a list view to be match parent and height to be wrap content. So I'm closing it as same. You can close in another way, but we don't doing inside the stack. So that's why I'm going to close like with the help of slash. So simply need to provide an id list view. Okay, this is my id. So let's jump back to our main activity.java file, define our list view, and then we have to find the id. List view equal to find view id r.id.list view. Now for the implementation purpose or for assigning the data to the list view, there are two main things. One is array adapter and second is the list. So let's declare a list of a string like say fruit list equals to, I'm assigning the values over here, so that's why I'm writing like this. Then apple, banana, then what say cherry, and one more fruit, strawberry. Okay, so this is my list of containing 4 items. So then you have to create an array adapter of type string. So to define a adapter, or we can say the type of adapter, you need to provide the type inside the less than and greater than symbol, in simple words. So after that we need to assign the adapter, or you can say initialize the adapter. So then adapters equal to new array adapter inside the bracket string, and inside this function there are 3 attributes you need to pass, or that is 3 parameters you need to pass. The first one is the context or the current activity. So with the help of this we can pass, or we can provide the current context. So another parameter is that the layout. So simply we are using the by default layout provided by Android Studio, that is support simple spinner drop down item and then the list name. So our list name is fruit list, and then we have to set the adapter to the list view. So there is a method of a list view, that is set adapter and then set the adapter. So simply we will try to run our application. It's starting the AVD for us. Okay, now you can see here is our list: apple, banana, cherry, strawberry. So in this way you can implement the list view. So if in some conditions you want your own layout to display for each item, so in that way, so this is the default layout provided by Android Studio. So suppose you want a custom layout to be displayed, so let's create that one. So when you are creating a layout file, it must be created inside layout directory. So create, right click on this folder, then new layout resource file, and name it whatever you want. I want to name it as custom list item. So it must be in smaller case. There should be no capital letters, otherwise it will throw error. So press OK. So will give us this kind of layout file. This is the simple layout file as we saw here. This is the activity layout file. It is the custom layout file which we are using whenever we want. Okay, so we provide linear layout, then we will simply orientation, that is vertical, and we will simply declare one text view. So we want to display text view, that's why we are displaying a text view. Wrap content, okay, actually width will be match parent, wrap content, and then we will provide some id that is label. You can give any name. By default it will accept the label. Then text size, that is 15 sp, sorry, it text size. Then what I just want background, and I want to give one color, that is, let's try this color. Okay, this looks okay, it will be work. Then we will provide text color, so it will look nice, text color, and then we'll provide the white color for the text, and simply calling this layout inside our here, that is custom list item. And let's try to run our app. So you can run the app with the help of shift F10 or with the help of display button dial. So my emulator is kind of little bit lagging, so we will try to run it once more time. Okay, there might be some error. Let's check. Okay, we will try to run. It says operation succeed, but there is no activity displayed to us. Okay, some error pop up. Linear layout cannot be cast to Android widget text view. Okay, wait. Array adapter requires the resource ID to be text view, and widget create view resource get view. Okay, what we will do, we will simply open this file and check what just did. Okay, so we have to only pass the text view, nothing else. Okay, we will do like this. We'll simply write here text view and make it these properties over here. Look, in Android Studio you get error multiple times by doing different things. So in this way you can remove this kind of errors, and it is, so we need not to provide an ID. Let's try custom list item. Okay, so it will by default directly jump to a text view, that's why it's showing. Okay, as you can see, this is our list. So now it does not have any padding or any, what say, margin, so we will provide some margin 10 dp, text size 20 sp, and some padding, that is 10 dp. Now let's try to run it again. Yeah, this is our list. So in this way you can implement a custom. So from our error, what you learn, So okay, I will tell you how to check errors now. So here are some of the different tabs over here. The first one is runtime. It is logcat. So runtime errors will be appeared over here, so you can check with it, or the errors that are uh, occur during the execution of your app, that will appear here. Now consider if sometimes your app crashes, you can check, you can simply check it here in logcat. So press on logcat and then choose here debug. Okay, it will be by default purpose. Choose debug and then you will see your errors like we did. So yeah, that's it. And this is the basic syntax of array adapter. This way you have to set the adapter. So this is the implementation of a list in Android Studio. Okay, so that's it for this video and thanks for watching.